Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Dr. Trader again. I am here with another stock today, Usha Martin. So this is going to be a very short video. So let's just start without wasting any more time. So yeah, this stock is Usha Martin. This was a very good setup here, which gave broke out on 6th of April. But then it has given a beautiful move, and after that, as you can see here, it consolidates. Now I don't say this very often, but believe me, tomorrow it is going to give a very good move. Usually I say that market is unpredictable and all, but I totally trust flag and pole pattern, and I know for sure that tomorrow it is going to give a good move. So today I bought it at 53.25, exactly at this price. I bought it at 11.25. I was waiting for this candle to close, so I was not trying to keep any doubt if this comes down. So I bought it at the end of the day. So yeah, this is weekly setup. Just a moment, guys. No, not weekly. In monthly, you can see this trend line. It's a very long term. As you can see, it has given multiple time supports here, and it gave a broke out here. So there is a good support. You can keep very tight stop loss, although I don't think you will going to need it for this stock. But yeah, this is a very good trade for a swing. You can keep it for a week, or I think it will give it target in 3 to 4 days only, or maybe less than that. So in again daily time frame, see, it has given a beautiful multiple times support and resistance here. Now let's check with indicators just for the confirmation. First check with the indicators moving average. This is a moving average 9, this is 50, and this is 200. So let's start from 2 hour time frame. In 2 hour time frame, the price is above all the moving averages. Same goes with 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly as well. So yeah, moving averages has given us a clean set. So I'll add couple of more indicators so that it gives a good psychological yeah, what we say, a kind of evidence or a support to the stock that it is going to have a bullish momentum. RSI, then let's add MACD. This is just for confirmation, guys. I'm not a huge fan of indicators. I'm just doing it to show you guys. I mostly follow price action, and Bollinger Bands also. I'll show you whatever indicator you feel like. If the price action is strong, every indicator shows a good sign. But indicators are lagging. That's what I will say. So yeah, see this RSI, it is upward. In 2 hour time frame, MACD here crossover just about to happen. 4 hour not yet happened, and RSI is not also showing complete strength. In daily time frame, RSI is showing strength, but in MACD, look, this is not a sign for reversal because the histogram is showing the bullish momentum. This could be a touch and go, which you must know that it is a buy, that is a must buy stock if MACD touches and it moves upwards. Then in weekly time frame, oh, it is super bullish in weekly time frame. Let's check monthly also. I don't think it's much necessary, but let's check it. So yeah, here also bullish sign. So any more indicator you want me to use here? Let's I'll show you Bollinger Band. Most of people use it. Here we are Bollinger Band. See, in daily time frame it has expanded already from 2 hour, as you can see. See, it is a contraction phase here, so I don't think it will stop here because the volume was good. And also guys, do check out in the website of National Stock Exchange that the delivery percentage of this particular stock today was 54%, and that is a pretty good sign because more than half of the traders that who have trade today, they were not day traders, they took it into the delivery. That means they have a strong faith in the stock that it is going to give a good move. So yeah, 2 hour, 4 hour. Oh, there's not much good sign in Bollinger Band in both this time frame, 2 hour and 4 hour. But the daily time frame, yes, it is positive. Weekly also it is just ready to shoot up, I guess. And that story remains the same with monthly also. Oh, very good sign here. Yeah, so that's it guys. Do let me know if you are able to catch the stock tomorrow. I hope it doesn't give a gap up, or you won't be able to catch it, but it will open somewhere around 53 or 50, 53.90 or 54, and it will just go up tomorrow. So yeah, like, share and subscribe to this channel guys for more such contents. Also watch my previous videos. I have given always a quality content, and all my suggested stocks has given good returns. So that's it from my side. Take care of yourself, your family, friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.